Welcome to the Web Builder How-To video series, Match Your Site to Your Brand Colors in Theme. You can coordinate the colors of your website to match your logo. Just click on Theme, and almost all areas of your site can be custom colored. We use the hex color code system, and clicking the Start Color box or End Color box will bring up the palette. Move the cursor around and vertical bar to choose your color, or you can tap in the RGB or hex color code. When you've reached your desired color, click OK to save. To make, for example, the top menu bar the same color from top to bottom, copy and paste the start color into the end color and click Save. Then repeat this process for all elements of your site. Here you can see the top menu bar is now the color that we chose. I will now put it back to the original color. You also have the option to select the color of the text you want and the border you want. You can also choose for the start and end colors of these elements to be shaded, vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Each time you make a change, click Save. Thank you for watching.